Hi guys, Andy here. Let's have a look at the Nikkei futures for Thursday, November 9. For the record, today is Wednesday, November 8. Time is around 6:30 p.m. GMT. So here we are looking at the 15-minute chart, and I think we are still working on some kind of wave 4 in the lower degree. So my take on the Nikkei is that we are having an expanded flat structure here as a corrective move, as a wave Y. And so this impulse from here should be the move up from here should then be an impulse. A wave C is an impulse. And what we had now, the high right here is ending way too strong, in my opinion. We do not have any divergence, and this is what we should have in an impulse in a 5-wave structure. And so therefore I think we will still see some kind of push up, taking out this high right here. But it is a bit hard to say from where exactly or how this could happen. Like, it could be that we have our wave 4 right here, so that we have an A, B, C correction, that this was the wave 4 low right here. But at the same time, as you can see, this wave 4 area is quite big. So if we take the length here of our wave 3, then this here can be the wave 4 area. So there is still space to go down, which means that we could also have this kind of structure as a WXY. So after this A, B, C right here, this could just be the wave W. Then this could here be wave X up, and then again 3 down, 1, 2, 3 to finish this wave 4. And then from here we can have our final push up as a wave 5. So it's a bit hard to say here. This wave 4 could be finished here after 3. However, we can still do an additional 3 legs or 3 waves down. These are all possibilities as a wave for a corrective wave. Okay, that's my analysis for today. If you enjoyed it, please like, subscribe, comment to support my work. And I see you one of the next days for another update about the Nikkei. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.